This video was a remake from an unknown YouTube channel that I watched in 2022, and I forgot the name 3 years ago, and I can't remember. Anyways, enjoy the video. Hi, I'm Scott. And today, I'm going to yell earthquake. Earthquake! Uh-oh, the living room is trashed. I'm so dead. Oh my god! Scott, how dare you yell earthquake and mess up our living room. That's it, you are grounded for 2 months. I'm going to turn this living room back to normal with Plotagon logic. Here we go. Plotagon logic, activate. Yes! Our living room is nice and clean. By the way, idiot! Go to your room right freaking now. Washington, Washington.